These beautiful people are Oromo people. They are acoustic ethnic group native to the region of Ethiopia and parts of northern Kenya. They speak the Oromo language, also called Afan Oromo. They are one of the largest ethnic group in Ethiopia and mostly live in the beautiful Oromia region. Here it is. These beauty are found in Oromia. The Oromo people celebrate Eritrea to thank Waka for the blessing and mercy they have received throughout the previous year. The Eritrea festival is celebrated every year at the beginning of Bira or spring. It is attended by hundreds of thousands of people. This Thanksgiving is celebrated at sacred lakes across Oromia region, like the Hora Finfinne and Hora Arsadi Bishoftu, Oromia region as a whole. I want to invite the world to visit these beautiful peoples in Oromia. Thank you.